We, the Karbi Student Association, would like to express our dissatisfactions against the nominated MSc, which was taken out today. We came to know that today 4 nominated MSc have taken oath, and the name are number one is Mr. Krishna Bhattarai, other is Pipinga Rengma, others is Mongwe Rompi, and other is Mukut Mohanto. Well, we the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to welcome the nominated MSc given to Pipinga Rengma and Mongwe Rompi. But we the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to express our dissatisfaction for nominating Mr. Krishna Bhattarai and Mr. Mukut Mohanto as the nominated MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We Karbi Student Association will never accept a non-scheduled tribe given nominated MSc in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Karbi Anglong is a 6th scheduled area, and it is the place of the tribal people. And there are many tribal community residing in Karbi Anglong. There are many tribal community who have no elected representative in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Instead of providing nominated MSc to Krishna Bhattarai and Mr. Mukut Mohanto, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have nominated MSc from community like Kuki, Khasi or Khasi Panar, Garo community, and other small community of Karbi Anglong. Those people are still doesn't have a good representative in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And those communities are still lagging behind socially, politically, and economically here in Karbi Anglong. If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council really wants our tribal brothers to develop, to progress, or to move forward and contribute something for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, then they should have provided nominated MSc to other tribal communities like Kuki, Rengma, Garo, Siam, and other hills tribe of Karbi Anglong. Mr. Mukut Mohanto, he is the former MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and he is from the Assamese community. And Assamese community already have a representative called Mr. Madhurja Dekial Fukon. So why does it need to represent Mr. Mukut Mohanto as the another nominated MSc for the Assamese community? Instead of that, those nominated MScs should have given to other small tribal community of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. That's the reason we, the Karbi Student Association, express our dissatisfaction against the recently nominated MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We, the Karbi Student Association, will never accept any non-tribals nominated in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council leaders must be aware that Karbi Anglong is a tribal area as per the paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule of the Constitutions. Karbi Anglong is a tribal area, and only the tribal community and only the tribal community should have their representative in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And when we talk about Mr. Krishna Bhattarai, he belongs from a Gorkha, or you can call it Nepali community. They are not even the recognized scheduled tribe in Assam, and not even in Karbi Anglong. They are like the other plain communities or other non-tribal community of Karbi Anglong. So why the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have nominated Mr. Krishna Bhattarai as the nominated MSc of Karbi Anglong. Instead of Mr. Krishna Bhattarai, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have nominated Khasipanar community from West Karbi Anglong or the Sankachep community from West Karbi Anglong. Those are the most backward community, hill tribe backward community living in Karbi Anglong. They don't have any representative as of now. So instead of giving nominated MSc to non-tribals, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have provided nominated MSc to other hill tribe people of Karbi Anglong. So we, the Karbi Student Associations, would like to appeal to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, particularly to CM Chuliram Roha and others MSc, to cancel their nomination, particularly to Mr. Krishna Bhattarai and Mr. Mukut Mohanto. Assamese community have already have their representative, so we don't need Mukut Mohanto as another MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So from here, we would like to tell directly to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that Karbi Student Associations will never accept Krishna Bhattarai and Mukut Mohanto as a new nominated MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council does not exclude them, then in the coming days, the Karbi Student Associations will be taking some measures, and if something untoward incidents happen, then the responsibility will go to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and to the CEM Chuliram Roha and their colleagues. So this is that we would like to tell the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which is currently ruled by the BJP.
Bangli nominated MSc BJP government tumpen pini kepha lo labangke number 1 bangke Dr. Mongerompi lapen number 2 bangke Krishna Bhattarai engke number 3 bangke Mukut Mohanto number 4 bangke Penpinga Rema lasi nimtum pini presmit kami alam the bangke lalo je kedam tang anikan kenda lapu sisuli pomlo labangke Mukut labangli nominated MSc penkela bangini phamangke niltum objection ke do bangke lalo Mukut Mohanto lapen Krishna Bhattarai alam tumangke dak Karbi Anglong kute isi 6 scheduled area lasi 6 scheduled area longke non-tribal tuhan nominated MSc kipi bangke laniltum Karbi Lochoria song peniltum pini ningduk sondolo athema kedam tang aningkan pendala posisi lipong lasi dak Karbi Anglong longke kenangan tribal indigenous tribal community tundo lasi alam tumhada represent jipan our side people ni kusi niltum matha damno lasi non Mukut Mohanto ku sonsonamuni tumhan bangke kiniarni nominated MSc kipi bangke niltum Karbi Lochoria song niltum condemn lo athema alam tum representative la madhujo dekalpu kon alam tum representative for it to lasi non Assamese tribe penke non kaprek alam tum tribe and representative ke nangnima usini tum matha athema Karbi Anglong ke niltum tribal community do example niltum kuki according to dumda do lapenda example siam enke kaprek tribal community tum do lasi alam tum phanta non kevangji arni ala BJP government tum chance ipon ko pusi nining theda lo lapen dage do la Krishna Bhattarai tum make suppose alang Gorkha ba alang Nepali community tum hasi de belong nasi latung phan make Karbi Anglong ke ST ba alam tum than ke tribal putam no bakke lasi niltum peni presmin kang ni lo lapen ningdu lo niltum karbilo charlia som pen lapen six schedule pan gelang dam te negligence si niltum kijong dam lo lasi non kevang ji ani ta niltum doktor tulirang rong han lapen BJP government fund niltum kipudam ji alama hela je la bahini amput monto lapen Krishna bakarai ban alang tum cancel nam ko la bangke niltum hain pen condemn lo lapen ke kevang ji arni bate alang tum son claim cleara daga karbian long kapre la indigenous tribal community tum ban representative fan our side kipon ko busine tum nithe ani tami alang tum kopi ma chokche lage kadu gawe karbian ra tum chini lo lasingon ke bang ji arni karbi ala tim karbian lo mate BJP government tum chepakeng pon ko busi ni nithe lo la penke non nominated MEC mukut monto la pen Krishna bhatare fan jungsi la tum immediately cancel Ponpe putil langil tum karbilo charlia sam pen democratically la pen non violent in tum chisam ponpo
yellow then non a frank josi nominated MEC la bahini panda otegi puri alo pini cholo sita latuan josi immediately latuan exclude Ponpe cancel Ponpe bolo den nilu ka chisam pa doji ko nilu tum common jelo la si non keva hutta non-travels akai tum panjongsi, latung panjongsi, arpu da peki det polote karbilo chari asong pen ke la anso se kache song pangkang kache song fuji ko senili tum pili da news pen pili karbi along adrat pangkachin ko. Athe dake tribals area la dake tribals sumsi arpu polo ajar arpu dami tribal sumsi long nanti. Afran choklo afran dolo afran ke karbi ang long arra tum 60 chini de the sida pin non an ke karbi ang long arra tum ta 60 ku pilo ma bagi kachini tanglo la se non ke karbi ang long arra ta panta council on kachari tum ke napapang un ilo la se non form ke council tum ta tek set rese ramne do hala dakta ada officers ke the iding tum da do al tum suggestion and pensi ala tum da 60 ala pori pa makeup la ben council on rule book la hai pori pa makeup si ala tum da em la hai arpu ba ko si KSA pen nithi pon jongsi ala tum jongsi na son claim plate non travel sakai ban arpu pek pon body de pulo de KSA tum ben ke as a pressure group de tum ben ke song pon back ko